Hi guys, my name is Shania and we're going to be doing our airplane video. So basically it's going to be about airplanes and I hope you like and subscribe my video. Okay, so let's get to it.
Hey people.
So
Hey people.
it's about airplanes, it's not about that. Now, so we're going to basically be doing about airplanes. This is the before I tried to do this.
And I made this ninja star.
No ninja stars are needed. So, this airplane I tried to make, but let me show you the after. Guys, this is the after. This big airplane that I made. So, let's get to the video. Let's get to the video. Okay, so I have it on this right here. And here goes our paper. So first we're gonna be folding right here. First we're gonna be folding this right here. Fold it in half. Oh, don't fold it in half. Fold it like this. I'll show you after I get finished folding it. And by the way, if you don't know, I'm filming this at my after school. So basically, fold it like this. And then fold your airplane in half from that spot. Man, it's gonna be hard to do. But fold it. We're gonna fold it like this. And then we're gonna fold it like this. And then we're gonna fold this part right here that's connected to this. We're gonna fold that right here. We fold it like this. And we go to the other side. We flip it over and then we fold it. See, and we fold it like this. And if you think that you can fly it, you're not done yet. We're gonna be doing, oh God, so we're gonna be folded. And if you hear any noise back here, that's the TV for my after school. And yes, we have a TV. And it doesn't matter how it looks, but you fold it again. And then there, you got your folding tutorial how to make it. And let's see how it folds. Okay guys, that did not work. That guys did not work. So here we go. If you didn't see it, I hope you liked this video and I hope you subscribe basically. So this airplane, it flew, but you could add extras to it. But long if it's not heavy, cause last time I made that airplane, I literally folded again. We don't fold it. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.